Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Chantal, and you're very much welcome. And I hope you have fun watching. In this channel, we talk more beauty, everything beauty. And yeah, I hope what here you're gonna get what you're looking for. I hope I serve you what you're looking for. And if you like my content, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Yeah, and as for my returning subscribers, hey, how's everyone? I hope everyone is doing great. I hope everyone is doing fantastic. Great is not good enough. I hope everyone is doing fantastic, and I hope everyone's family is doing good too. And I hope life is treating you well. Okay, so today I'm gonna show you a DIY that I like the most, and what it is my toner. I love toners. I love toners, and I own like 5 toners. I really love them. Yes, and I have a reason why I own so many. I use them in different ways, and they do work fantastic for me, and I love them. Oh, by the way, if you look, today is no makeup day. I did not do any makeup. I just came with my bed face. Yes. And the reason why is because I did a micro needling session 2 days ago, and whenever I do, and it was just a cosmetic micro needling. It was a medical micro needling, but whatever micro needling I do, whenever I do it, I like to stay like a week before putting any makeup. I like my face like that. I don't want to put in makeup, and no, because when you do microneedling, it's like tiny mini holes that you put on your face, mini wounds that you leave on your face. You don't want to put makeup on wounds, do you? So you let your face heal. So then during that period, I have a lot of, like, my face is like the worst. Like, I have a lot of tiny marks on my face from the needles. I have and my things like my scars are more prominent, but I rock them. I love it. I'm beautiful like that, with or without makeup. Chantal is a beautiful girl. So and I hope all of you girls know that you're beautiful with or without. So before we jump to the DIY, as I promised you, I'm going to tell you 4 important things every single person that is taking care of themselves, every single person that is in this skincare journey should own. 1, an exfoliant. Of course, that's one of the most important ones. A cleanser, and especially a mild cleanser. Please, mild, let it be mild. And because harsh cleansers, they usually strip your skin. It dries your skin and strip it of its oil. It's not the best, and with that you can easily break out, or you start having unnecessary cracks in your skin, which isn't that good, especially when you're already more than 35. It isn't good. And the next one should be your moisturizer. Ooh, moisturizer. You should moisturize. Please, oh no, moisturizer. Moisturize as much as you can. Always moisturize. And the 4th, but the most important, it is, drum roll, sunscreen. Sunscreen. Be it Africa, be it Europe, be it the Americas, be it Asia. Look, we need sunscreen. Everybody should own one. Everybody should own a sunscreen. It is like who the the holy grail of skincare. Like, you need a sunscreen. Sunscreen is very important to block the sun, the damages from the sun, the damages that the sun does to your skin. The sun is going to, like, one of the reasons why most people get old fast is because of sunscreen. It's because they don't use sunscreen. Sunscreen, you see this sun, the sun will get you wrinkly, cranky in no time. Yes, in no time. Like, you will get old in no time. Like, please don't look at our parents. Don't look at our parents and say, oh, our parents now use sunscreen and they are okay. I mean, those in Africa, of course, they say, as I said, black don't crack, but we do crack, because when we start cracking, we crack bad and we crack uglily. I'm sorry to say this, but it's true. When we start cracking, we crack bad and quick and uglily. So, and nobody wants to crack like that. Nobody wants to get old like that. So please, own a sunscreen. Look for a sunscreen. Own a sunscreen, especially a broad spectrum sunscreen. Own one. Please, I am begging you. That is the golden rule of skincare. Own a sunscreen. Use a sunscreen daily, especially us in Africa. Please, we need more than every other race on earth. Africans, we need sunscreen more than every other person, every other race. Yes, we do. We do. We believe our melanin protects us, right? It doesn't. It doesn't really protect us as we think. We need it more than you think. Yeah. So please, if you want to avoid aging unnecessarily, aging like that cranky kind of aging that you go home, like that ugly kind of aging, please use a sunscreen if you don't want to age like that. We want to age like beautifully, like gloriously, like you understand? That's the kind of aging everybody's looking for. You want to age beautifully, so protect yourself. And another golden rule, the golden rule to skincare is, please take this one and keep it and do it daily. Please, it is remove your makeup. Like, remove your makeup every night. No matter how tired you are, try to remove your makeup. If you don't have the time, if you cannot drag yourself to your bathrooms and clean and all of that, please own wet tissues, these makeup remover tissues that you can use in cleaning at least a good portion of that makeup before you sleep, because man, that thing will break you out. Like, it will F up your face so bad. You will not like it. And please, it also ages you. The more you sleep with those things, the more you age. It ain't good for anybody that is getting old and trying to age gracefully. It isn't good for you. Okay, so I hope you understand and you keep to what I've said. Please do, I'm begging you. Please, I want to see all of you looking beautiful, loving yourself, yeah, loving your face. Yay! Because your face is the first thing that anybody sees on you. It's always your face. It's always that face. Even if you have a perfect body, that face will always come first. People see that first before they start looking at that body. So, yeah, please, face, take care of it. Okay, I'm very tired. I have to get going. I have a lot to do. And I'm gonna see you guys next week. And next week I'm gonna do a tutorial on one of my devices, with one of my devices, and how I use them. And I hope to see you next week. Love you all. Bye-bye. Have a very, very beautiful week, and remain blessed. Kisses. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye-bye. Love you guys. Bye.
Hi everyone, welcome to my very DIY. I hope you're gonna have fun. Today we're gonna do a toner, a green tea toner. Yeah, I hope you have fun watching me. The very first ingredient we're going to talk about is green tea. Green tea helps in fighting premature aging, reduces redness and skin irritation, fights cancer, treats acne, and more. Next tea we're going to talk about is jasmine. Jasmine is good for dry and delicate skin. It destroys free radicals, which causes wrinkles, and also helps to reduce skin pigmentation, makes you glow. The next one is honey. Honey has so many skin benefits. It moisturizes and hydrates the skin. It helps in signs of premature aging. It's an effective exfoliant. Apple cider has antibacterial, antifungi properties, which helps in killing acne, eczema, and more. Lemon prevents blackheads and blemishes and brightens your skin. Lemon helps in fighting wrinkles and other signs of aging, reduces your pore. Essential oils are used for a variety of skincare concerns. They have anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and soothing properties. Then we have water, a mixing bowl, a container to put the toner when done, a pot to boil the water for the toner. Measuring utensils. Now let's begin. First, we are gonna measure the amount of water. Usually I just use the containers I'm gonna put the toners inside to measure the quantity of toner I'm gonna need, because for me it's easier like that. The next thing we're gonna do is to boil the water. Yeah, my husband is cooking. He wants to cook assorted meat arrow. So yeah, I'm gonna have a feast after this. Yeah, now the water is boiled and we are gonna put it in the mixing container, and we are gonna add our teas. Yeah. And we're gonna set it aside for 10 minutes for the tea to really soak in and so we can really get the juice. Yeah. It's been 10 minutes and more now, and I'm gonna extract the tea from the tea leaves. Yeah, so that we can start the process of making the toner. After extraction, we start adding the ingredients, all the other ingredients into the tea, in any order that pleases you. I totally forgot to introduce some ingredients. This is my witch Hezel. I am sorry, my bad. Yeah, I mix witch Hezel inside and with vegetable glycerine and my preservative. Yeah. And this one is my vegetable glycerine. I also forgot to introduce it. Yeah. Just a little goes a long way. and it's very sticky, so you don't want to put a lot. If not, your toner is going to be very sticky. I've done that, so I learned my lesson. I don't put a lot. I don't put a lot of honey. I don't put a lot of glycerine. I don't put a lot of I don't put a lot of preservative, so those things are very sticky. Here I'm adding my preservative, and I use germall plus preservative because it's the best for me. I like it, and it suits my skin, it suits my face. And if you don't have a preservative, no problem. You just make a small batch that's gonna last you a week, and you put the rest in the fridge, and after a week you discard of it. This batch for me with the preservative can last for a month or maybe 2. It depends on how much I use it. Yeah. I still sieve the toner through a smaller sieve, finer sieve, because of the honey. The honey had a little bit of gunk inside, a little bit of, when you have pure honey, there's always that little thing. Now I'm gonna blend it. I mixed it very well with a mixer, and now I'm gonna put it in my containers, and voila. That's it.